Been a fantastic experience.
Definitely a good place to get your stuff.
It's like a mecca over here.
Their riding gears, they are amazing.
You can ride on high speeds without any tension.
These tires are designed for adventurers like us.
The radial technology is amazing.
There is no glove in the market currently which is giving such a good fit. There is a back protector in this. I don't really feel it, and that's something that I have not noticed even in the high-end jacket.
The whole motorcycling world at my fingertips. For the joy of riding.